what we can see is that we are now 3 weeks into the time where Ukraine was agreeing to unconditional ceasefire, and 3 weeks later we still don't have Russia. Russia is playing games and not really wanting peace. So our question is, how can we put more pressure on Russia? And then, of course, we will also discuss our own defense. What more can we do to use the tools we already have to make us all stronger? And the strongest tool we have is our unity, so we need to work for that as Europe facing all these threats coming our way. So thank you. I'm ready to take your questions.
Hi, Suman Nashitham from the Associated Press. Can you speak to the role that the U.S. must play in Ukraine and Russia peace talks?
U.S. has called the talks and doing the shuttle diplomacy. But right now, I think what we need is also Russia to agree to this ceasefire, to move on, to show goodwill by, giving back the Ukrainian children that have been deported to Russia, or releasing the prisoners of war. Many things that they can show. So I think U.S. also has the role to put more pressure on Russia to stop this war.